another video for you guys. This is gonna be an interesting one. Guys, as you guys can see by the title, it's the ugly makeup prank. And guess what? I'll be doing them on strangers, right? So this is how it basically works. I'm gonna do my makeup very, very ugly. And then I'm gonna ask strangers from 1 to 10 how my makeup look. But either some people are gonna be very blunt with me, roast me, or probably don't say anything at all. But before you get into this video, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new video, guys. Stay tuned. Doom. Drum roll, please, as I present to you the beautiful Quartet. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I could do it. Guys, they're not gonna roast me. They're not gonna roast me terribly. Like, look Jesus have mercy, be pretty. Look at me pretty, I look cute. Oh, look how pretty, but this look, Jesus, I'm the first pretty girl I've ever seen my whole entire life. She pretty. This pretty, I look kind of Rapunzel. Yeah. Man, they gonna roast me, y'all. They gonna definitely roast me, like, for real. But without further ado, let's get right into the prank. Hi. From 1 to 10, right? Like, what would you rate my makeup from 1 to 10?
I low-key would give you like a 7.5.
Oh, yeah.
Eyebrow.
I can't. My head's hurting me right now. Hold on. Hi. Person skip. Like, why everybody keep skipping me? Everybody keeps skipping me at this point. Right now. Look like I clone. They keep skipping me. Yo, what's my future hubby? Wake up one day. Do you see me? Hi.
Hey girl, your makeup a look.
Wait. From 1 to 10. From 1 to 10 though. Rate my makeup. You first in the red shirt. Wait, but hold on real quick. But they said if I get a 10, I could be in the makeup industry. So like I have to get your honest opinion. Like from 1 to 10, like what do you think?
A 10. You can't go out with me looking like this. It's a 10, girl.
It's a 10. Thank you.
But I think it's a direct.
Well, okay. And what part? Like what part? From 1 to 10, how my makeup look from 1 to 10? Like because I'm trying to go into the makeup industry, and they said if I get a 10, you said 3. Excuse me. What's my make? Like from 1 to 10? Like 1 to 10. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you're doing a YouTube video. And the wig, baby, it's not giving. You know what? Wait, I feel like you could be pretty without that makeup. The wig and the eyebrows and the eyeshadow and the lip gloss and all the like.
She said my wig not giving. My wig actually looks cute. It's based on how my makeup look. That's how my wig looking a little stiffy here and there. But it's fine. Hey, though. Hi. She was like, the pink ain't giving it. The lip gloss ain't get. Okay. It could take time though. For real. Like, whoa, them skip me through. Jesus, have mercy, God. You can't give me a chance. Hey, listen, can't actually just rock this cute look. I feel like in my wedding. You know what I'm saying? You just do my hair just so. You hear me? I mean, just, yeah. Yeah, man. I gotta look cute. Yeah, man. My wedding, me just do my makeup so. Blush. Oh, God, I'm in love. You run away from me. He said, Pastor? Mm-mm. Not today. No. Look, the girl said, it's giving me stiff vibes. Okay. No problem. Well, go and exalt yourself. He said, skip it, though. He just skip me, yo. They rude. They would just skip you. Hey. From 1 to 10, what would you rate my makeup?
Your makeup?
Yes, from 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Yes, 1 to 10. Like the eyebrows, you know.
7.
A 7? But I need a 10 to go into the makeup industry. So I need a 10, not a 7. Do you think I'm ready for the makeup industry?
I think not yet.
Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you. He said, I think not yet. Yo, he want to laugh at me. All right, what's that? So from 1 to 10, what would you rate my makeup from 1 to 10?
You gotta be honest.
Yeah, like a to be honest type stuff. Like, to be honest.
Hold on, I got somebody else here. Let to rate it too.
All right, can I see them? So, you know.
Evan, come back, bro. Hold on. You seen him?
No, I ain't see nobody.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick flash. Can you see him now?
Yeah, I can see him.
Alright, she said, what do you rate her makeup? 1 to 10.
Let me see the makeup, man. You know, be honest.
Yeah, like a total be honest. 100%.
Or 4 or 5.
Oh. Because, like, I need a 10 to go into the makeup industry. So, like, I need, like, a solid 10, like, you know. Because if I don't get a 10, I can't make people's faces look like mine.
You got a long working hand. Keep your head up.
You said, wait, I didn't hear what you said. Sorry? What'd you say?
You got a long working head. Keep your head up. He's giving you encouragement words.
Oh, okay. So how about you? Can you add some time? Wait, can you rate from 1 to 10? I need to see your face though. Guys, I'm gonna see in pitch black. I can't see nothing. All right. So for you now, like, I really want to go into the makeup industry, and I feel like I'm ready because, like, just look how my eyebrows just look on fleek. Like, you see what I'm talking about? Like, ooh. All right, but from 1 to 10, like, just give me like a solid, you know, like, you give me a 10 for me, give me a 10 because I'll be happy if you give me a 10 because, you know, try for like 2 hours for this. Huh?
A 3.
A 3?
Because
Like, you can't even say like a 3.5 or 4. Like, you just said 3.
why is one of your eyebrows bigger than the other?
No, that's the style.
What's that, baby?
It's the like, it's called like the thick and then the small. Yeah, it's a style. Like the thick eyebrows. That's how you do it. Like, you kind of make it a little thick on the top, and then you kind of make the it's like a fade, a fade.
I
What he said?
I don't think that's what it is, but it's
So what do you think it is? Because I know it's like a fade. Like, I'm trying like a little nice fade. Like, somebody gave me the tip, actually. It wasn't me. Somebody was like, Gabby, you feel me? If you do your face like this and you put like the fade, you get like hella, you know, hella likes.
the person who recommended you do that just sent you off, you know.
Baby, you need to just stop that. Try something else.
So you don't believe that I can do makeup? Like, you don't believe I can go into the makeup industry and do other people's face like this?
I believe you can do anything, but makeup, probably not.
Like, maybe try doing hair. That probably work out for you. Never mind. Maybe you can try to do nails. That'll work out for you.
Yeah, probably. She's pretty.
Thank
I don't see any flowers planted.
She's pretty.
Oh, yeah. For sure. To be a model and stuff.
Y'all trying to play me now? Y'all tried it. Y'all just tried talking about being a model. Y'all tried it. Okay. But thank y'all for your honest opinion, though. Thank you. Because somebody... All right, guys. We back to looking cute again. Guys, that makeup... Y'all see for yourself how it just went down, y'all. They told me. They said, girl, that hearing for you, the makeup, they roast me terribly, guys. But if you like that video, guys, once again, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new video, guys. Peace out.